Hi there, my name is Josh Novakowski, and I'm a product specialist here at Lexus at Barrie. Thank you for watching this video on the 2016 Lexus NX. Now we will explore the different setup options you have for your vehicle. Simply in the menu screen, select the setup option. There you will see the different options you can go through: general, voice, Bluetooth, audio, navigation, as well as vehicle and phone. In these options you can customize everything you'd like, from the button color to the keyboard layout, to your Bluetooth options, to your voice prompts on your vehicle. You can also control your navigation settings, like your home address, preset destinations, your address book, and areas to avoid. You also have your vehicle setup, which includes the reverse lines and customization for your vehicle, also your maintenance updates, as well as your phone pairing. You can connect and remove and play with your phone settings, all in this one menu. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Also come into the dealership and look at the new vehicles and maybe book a test drive. Thanks for watching.